Google Doc public so the world can view it. Reasons why you may want to do this is if you need to post this document on your Google website, or if you wanted to share the document within another document. These are a couple ways of being able to do that. Same as if you were to email a document to maybe all the parents that you might have. Just quick ways for them to be able to get access to it. So let's go ahead and get started. If I click the share button within the document, you can see right now nobody's in here, but if I start typing in a name, I could start sharing it out with people. But if I go to advanced and click the where it says private only, you can access, if I hit change there and select on public on the web, if I hit save there, now I've made it so that it's public on the web with anyone on the internet who can find and view the document. And in order for them to be able to view and find the document, you need to know where the address is, and that's right above it. As soon as I hit done, it's permanently ready to go, ready to be shared. Now, if I'm in Drive, I can do it a little differently. I'm going to take this document right here. I'm going to click on this person with the plus sign. And when I do that, I can see the same setup as before. Right now it's shared with nobody. But if I hit advanced and I hit change right here, I can make this on the public on the web. Hit save. And my link is here. And if I missed it, I can go ahead and click on this chain link and get the Drive access to it from there. Hopefully you find this useful, and if you have any other questions, please let me know.